to more than planet. The same. I have surprise. We have the Galaxy s20 FE 5G, and we have also accessories. Here we go. We have the cover, white silicone. It looks pretty nice. See what's inside. It is. Here we go. The phone. It's the phone, and we have the 25-watt charging and the cable. So let's see. We have the phone, 12 megapixel, 12 ultra wide, and 8 megapixel telescope. Small hole. I unlocked already just to show you. We have the this focus charger. Wait. Okay, we have the USB microphone. Also right here you can have the memory SIM card up to 1 terabyte with the SD. So let's unlock the phone. The phone is 120 Hz. You can see it's pretty fast. So we have the 4500 milliampere battery. It's around 6 GB RAM and 128. So let's try the camera. See the photo. We have up 30. This impression soon. Also the video. The only unlike of the camera is look like too wide when you take pictures. I just take a picture of me. That's how I look. It's really nice phone. Have the plastic protector and remover. I don't like to remove it, but this is also plastic.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Oh, that's Google. And let's see how look the video. Let's put so really nice. That's it, guys. This is the S20 FE, really nice phone. And also the camera. That's the 4. Okay, this video. You can record up to 4K to 60 FPS, so it's not really bad. It's nice. You have the Pro video to 1080 30 FPS. You can also record 60 FPS. You can record also 24, 30, and so it's really nice phone. You can have also super steady when you record. So you have a nice stabilization. I think it's really nice phone for the price. Right now, if you buy online, it's like 600. The original price is 700. So also they give you credit, so that's why I received this white cover. Let's see how it look the cover on the phone. Look, it's really look nice. Pretty nice. This silicone cover. For the price of $600. They give you like $30 credit when you're buying Samsung, so it's not bad, and you get this. It's really nice. I hope you like the video. Please share, comment, let me know what you think about it, and subscribe. Very nice one. See you next video.